one is the light section. The light section is very easy to identify because of these, and these. They usually go hand in hand. Then we also have the direction. This one is a diode. Look at the diode. This end, you see this end?
Yes.
This one is the cathode. And this one is linking to this capacitor. You can see. It is linking to the capacitor. Observe this path carefully. It is linking to the cap. And this one will definitely go to the anode part of the LCD. Remember that, always. This one will go to the positive part of the LCD.
Have you ever wondered what are the different components that is used in our mobile motherboard? If you want to learn this, then join our free demo class where we are going to tell you about the different mobile components like resistor, capacitor, diode, transistor. All you will get to know what are their sign and how to check them. So this class is completely free and it will be an English class. Student across globe is learning online with RM. So if you also want to learn mobile repairing and grow your skill, then join our online classes. Thank you very much.
Welcome again my people on Now Trending Africa. Leo tunaenda kuzungumzia how to acquire skills. Kama mtu yote yuko pale nje, mfikishie ujumbe kuwa kama anataka kujiunga na kuwa fundi wa simu, radio, TV na zinginezo kadhalika. Hapa kuna njia rahisi sana ya kujiunga na pia kukuwa fundi mwenye amehitimu. Unaweza mpatia namba iko hapa ya WhatsApp, unaweza join kwa WhatsApp. Ukaona wanakuanga na Zoom class, ukakuwa na Zoom class nao watakutumia link na uone jinsi wanavyotengeneza simu. Hawa ni watu wa online na pia shule zipo, unaweza enda shule ukasoma. Asante sana mtazamaji wetu, tutakupa ujumbe kama huu tena. Zidi kutusupport, zidi kusubscribe na kufollow na kushare kwa marafiki ili wapate ujumbe kama huu.